Nobody enjoys scrubbing a pool, but you can't just let it turn into a swamp either. Luckily, robotic pool cleaners take the hassle out of pool maintenance, keeping your water crystal clear without overworking your filtration system. If you're tired of spending hours skimming leaves and scrubbing algae, it's time to let a robot do the dirty work. In this video, we're checking out the 7 best robotic pool cleaners of 2025 to help you find the perfect one for your pool. Let's dive in. Maintaining a clean pool doesn't have to be a hassle, and the Aiper Scuba X1 Pro Max makes it easier than ever. Unlike typical pool cleaners that only focus on the floor and walls, this model takes it a step further by skimming the surface to remove floating debris like leaves, insects, and pollen before they sink. With 9 brushless motors powering its operation, it boasts an impressive 8,500 GPH suction strength, making it the most powerful pool cleaner on the market. Smart ultrasonic sensors create an efficient cleaning path, adjusting as needed to ensure every corner is covered. Thanks to its cordless design, you can easily manage the cleaner with just a tap on the app, allowing you to change settings, switch between modes, or monitor performance in real time. The battery offers up to 10 hours of surface cleaning and 5 hours on the floor. And with its advanced maneuverability, it can easily navigate obstacles, climb stairs, and clean walls. Choose between different cleaning modes depending on your preference for efficiency or power. When it's time to retrieve it, simply press a button in the app. Wireless charging eliminates drying time. Just dock it and let it charge for the next use. The floating Hydrocom Pro device keeps you connected with real-time control, live status updates, and underwater monitoring. Automatic software updates keep the system optimized so you don't have to worry about maintenance. No matter the size or shape of your pool, this durable cleaner is built to withstand the test of time, providing a truly hands-free solution for effortless pool maintenance. A solar-powered pool skimmer that runs for over 30 hours? That's the Beta SE. This cordless, self-charging skimmer glides across your pool, scooping up leaves, dust, pollen, and even pet hair, all without you lifting a finger. Its twin salt-chlorine-tolerant motors make it durable, even in saltwater pools, while the Aquadynamics design keeps it running efficiently. Even on cloudy days, it powers through, and when it does need a recharge, 5 to 6 hours of direct sunlight gets it back in action. The wireless remote gives you control when you need it, and the large fine mesh basket makes emptying debris super easy. Plus, with adjustable bumper rods, it won't get stuck in shallow areas. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to keep your pool's surface clear without dealing with cords or daily recharging, the Beta SE is a fantastic choice. Imagine having a cordless pool cleaner that you can control while it's underwater. That's exactly what the Polaris Freedom Plus offers. With Li-Fi technology, the handheld remote lets you guide its movements, pause cleaning, or call it up to the surface using the Easy Lift system. No more struggling to fish it out. It runs on a long-lasting lithium-ion battery, charges effortlessly on its Easy Charge caddy, and keeps your pool spotless without messy cords. When it's time to remove it, water drains quickly for lightweight handling, no heavy lifting, and if your remote isn't handy, just tap it with a pool pole, and it'll climb up on its own. Plus, with Wi-Fi connectivity through the iAqualink app, you can check its status, customize cleaning modes, and get notified when it's done. If you want effortless pool maintenance with full control, the Polaris Freedom Plus is a top-tier choice. Tired of dirt building up along your pool's waterline? The Dolphin Explorer E50 is designed to tackle that stubborn grime with powerful wall climbing and waterline scrubbing, so your pool looks spotless from top to bottom. Made for pools up to 50 feet, this robotic cleaner uses strong suction and enhanced scrubbing brushes to remove dirt, leaves, and debris from any pool surface, whether it's saltwater or chlorine. Plus, with the My Dolphin Plus app, you can schedule cleanings and control your robot from anywhere. One of its best features? Pickup mode. When cleaning is done, the E50 conveniently waits at the edge of the pool for easy retrieval. No more struggling to fish it out. And with the top-load filter basket, emptying debris is quick and hassle-free. Just plug it in, drop it in, and let it handle the dirty work while you enjoy a crystal-clear pool. Got a large pool that feels impossible to keep clean? The Robotic S2 is built for the job, covering up to 3,230 square feet with a massive 7,800 mAh battery that delivers up to 210 minutes of continuous cleaning. At first glance, its navigation might seem random, but don't be fooled. This robot leaves no spot untouched, tackling the floor, walls, steps, and even the waterline with powerful scrubbing and suction. Its dual-layer filtration system captures everything from leaves to fine-grained grit, ensuring crystal-clear water. What makes it even better? App control with 7 cleaning modes and 6 different cleaning paths, so you can customize its cleaning to suit your pool's needs. Plus, you can schedule cleanings in advance, saving time and effort. With a quick 3-hour recharge, it's always ready to go. If you've been manually cleaning a large pool, the Robotic S2 is a game changer. Want total control over your pool cleaning? The AquaSense Pro takes flexibility to the next level with 4 preset modes plus custom cleaning options that let you choose exactly how your pool gets cleaned. Whether you need a quick floor-only clean or a full scrub of the floor, walls, waterline, and surface, this robot has you covered. What sets it apart? 9 powerful motors and a dual roller brush system, giving it unmatched mobility and deep cleaning power. It even comes with a dock that automatically charges the battery, so no more dragging out a power cord after every session. With the BeatBot app, you can customize your cleaning routine in over 20 different ways, making pool maintenance effortless. And thanks to its scratch-free design, it works on all pool types: concrete, vinyl, fiberglass, or tile. If you want smart, hands-free cleaning, the AquaSense Pro is a top pick. Looking for a hassle-free way to keep your pool spotless? The Hayward R130 is designed for both in-ground and above-ground pools up to 50 feet, delivering a deep clean with minimal effort. Its dual scrubbing brushes effectively remove algae and bacteria, while the smart navigation system ensures full coverage of the floor, walls, and waterline. No missed spots. Plus, PowerStream technology jets give it better grip and maneuverability so it climbs like a pro. With a top-load basket, swapping between fine and ultrafine filters is simple, making debris removal a breeze. And thanks to its tangle-free cable and convenient handle, pulling it out of the pool is easy. Want to set it and forget it? The weekly timer feature lets you schedule cleanings once a day, every other day, or every 3 days. If you want effortless, hands-free pool maintenance, the R130 is a solid choice. And that's a wrap on the 7 best robotic pool cleaners of 2025. Do you prefer a cordless or corded pool cleaner? Let us know in the comments.